everybody, man? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, man. If you haven't already, man, make sure you guys subscribe. Guess what, y'all? Guess what? I'm so happy because it is the new year. It is January 1st, 2023. And I wanted to make this video alone. And I wanted to make this video just sporadically, okay? Sporadically. Just literally have no reasoning on what I'm making a video about, but I'm just going to go off of energy and go off of my feelings. You would know what it's about in the title, I guess, but y'all, I am so energized, okay? And I needed this reset. I needed this reset. And what I mean by reset, I don't necessarily mean the fact that the year ended. I really mean I needed a reset as far as just me being given a inspiration. And I want to explain what that inspiration is. My inspiration is my kids, yo. My kids. For everybody that does not know, for about most of last year, so about 6 months, I've been on and off with my kids, like trying to balance work and be able to spend time with my kids. And as of recently, I've found a way to be able to just be more interactive with them. And I'm starting to understand that that's where my happiness is. It's not just in business. And I'm still an unfinished product. I'm still learning how to balance business and personal, right? As far as, you know, family and business. And now we are looking for a bigger house, bigger space, so that the kids can play and everything, and I can have my office, Tamia can have her office, and where we can actually build a better foundation so that, you know, we can excel even further in 2023. So I'm really excited to bring you guys on that. If you guys have not already, check out our channel. It's called 2 Entrepreneurs, okay? 2 Entrepreneurs, so the number 2 Entrepreneurs. It's me and Tamia. We created that channel a while ago, just like we created this one. And we're going to be uploading a lot of different things as far as family activities, and also her business and my business, and like activities me and her do together. We're going to upload them on that channel. And again, it's the number 2 Entrepreneurs. And if you want to see entrepreneurs work together through ups and downs, definitely check that out. Traveling vlogs, surprises, our apartment shopping and stuff like that. I want you guys to definitely subscribe there too. And I'm excited about that. Now also I have a private community, guys. So I just launched the private community. A lot of people have been asking me for buyers price lists, asking me questions about, do I have international buyers or are they only in the States? Also, people have been asking me tips and tricks on how to sell online. And I know I give a lot of information out on YouTube, but a lot of people, they want to be intimate, as far as they want to be able to sit down and talk to me. And it would be literally impossible for me to sit there and hit everyone's pain point, right? But what I can do is I can invite people to a limited space private community, okay? And what it's going to be is $25 a month. Okay, so yes, I'm still doing courses. I'm still doing the IamHustlersMindset.com, but I'm more so also going to be doing, instead of you having a book calls with me, instead of you booking one-on-one sessions, you get that unlimited, okay? You get that unlimited with my private community. I am now going to be working with you. We're going to develop, it's like a mentorship. We're going to develop something where me and you are actually working together, okay, as individuals, me and you. Also, I will be having other guest speakers come on and come into the community to talk about different things. I'm talking about people that are making hundreds of $1,000s on eBay, Amazon. We're talking about MERCARI, of course. We're talking about phone flipping. We're going to be having buyers come in. So it's going to be where you can actually join this community. All right, you can join the community, and once you join the community, you're now going to be given a weekly, okay, price list. So that's a phone flipping price list, but I'm also giving you guys a weekly product, a hot selling product price list, where I'm giving you guys the ingredients and the blueprints to the products that are selling. I'm sorry for not looking at you guys. I'm just trying to get home because the Eagles about to come on. But the products that are really selling online with eBay, Amazon, MERCARI, I'm going to send you a list where all you got to literally do is just list the products, okay? And also, we're going to have a seminar every week, okay? Like we already do a seminar every single week on Wednesday and Saturday where we're going to be talking about different topics. So, prime example, this week's seminar is about buyback, okay? How you can buy back phones fast, okay? Fast for the lowest budget. So I'm gonna show you literally, I'm gonna demonstrate how to do it, take questions and give you guys answers. Also have a guest speaker on it. And guess what? You guys are all getting this for $25, okay? I don't want to charge people. The only reason why I have to because it's a business. It's a business, but I want people to be successful. That's the biggest thing with me. I want people to be successful. I want you to actually be able to start another stream of income. And like I tell you guys all the time, not trying to make you rich, not trying to make you a billionaire by doing this. What I'm really trying to do is everybody needs an extra income. Everybody. Okay, you should never have to just depend on one income. And that's that pisses me off that people do. Just depend on one income. No, you should be able to have more than one. And I want to help you guys with that. So join my private Hustlers Mindset community, okay? It's going to be linked below, okay? Link below. Definitely join it. I want you guys to sit there and go on this journey with me. And guess what? You guys will have unlimited access to me. When you need to talk to me, we're talking. When you guys want a one-on-one, we're having it. Every Sunday, we're having a plan of attack meeting, okay? Which means every Sunday, you'll be getting on Zoom with me and a whole bunch of other people, and we're talking about your goals. We're talking about all of our goals. Hey, I want to do this week. Oh, such and such wants to do it too. Hey, oh, I did that last week. Oh, how did you get it done? And it's all about feeding into each other and having a community of people that you can actually fall back on. Because as entrepreneurs, what you got to realize is you can't do it all by yourself. You cannot do it by yourself, okay? We have to develop a connection with people so that we can utilize everyone. You might have me in Philly, but then you might have Lamar in California, and you might have Tamia in California too. You might have Sean in Florida. You might have Tommy in Wisconsin. It's like, it's so many different ways for us to connect, okay? I'm also going to be having in that community a phone repair price list too, where you can get cheap screens from me. I'll teach you guys how to fix phones as well. It's so many different things that we're gonna do. It's so many different things we're doing in this private community, and it's just $25, and I'm leaving it like that for at least this month, okay? So I'm launching the private community today, right now, this day, right now, January 1st, 2023, I'm launching this, okay? And I want you guys to indulge in all of the information I'm going to give you guys, okay? Yesterday, I was telling everyone on my Instagram, follow me, Educatedhustler, that I was doing this, and I was telling them that they need to be prepared because we are about to take over. We're about to build our family, and not just on YouTube, but on this private community. And I want us to be able to expand, okay? I want you guys to make as much money as possible. I want to meet you guys. I want us to be better this year, okay? And I know we can do it. I know we can do it. We have to first hold ourselves accountable on the things that we've lacked this year. And I've held myself accountable, okay? And I'm ready to continue to grow, and I hope you guys are too. All right, and another note, you know, I just got some more products as well. So it's like different things. I'm giving y'all the blueprints. I'm telling y'all, I'm doing videos. I'm coming back. All right, I'm coming back. I'm not gonna stop. All right, y'all. So I got blueprints for days. I got products that we're gonna show you guys how to list, how to sell. MERCARI automation, of course. You already know how that goes. People love the MERCARI automation. We're gonna be doing that, and we're gonna be doing a lot more, okay? I don't wanna spill our beans, but guys, I really want you to have a great year. I want you to be safe. I want you to understand that you have the power, okay? You have the power in you, and if you're down right now, I want you to know it's okay. If you couldn't handle it, it wouldn't be given to you. If you couldn't handle it, you wouldn't be going through it. I want you to know it's okay. Nobody is going to stop you, all right? I love you guys so much, and I want you guys to continue to be great. And even though this video isn't about flipping phones or isn't about how to make $100 on MERCARI in one day, it's about me letting you guys know how much you have the potential to take over this. Not even with me, just in general, you being a human being you are. I want you to know you got this, man. You got this, Okay, you got this, and we're gonna take it. We're gonna make it. We're not gonna wait for it to be given. We're gonna take it, and we're gonna be strong, and we're never gonna give up. We're never gonna give up. Okay, you're never gonna give up. Once you give up, that's when you failed. But if you keep going, you never fail. You never fail. So come on, stay strong, stay focused, and make sure you guys sub to 2 Entrepreneurs. Join the community, and of course turn your bell on here, because I'm telling y'all right now, I'm going crazy with the videos. I'm energized. I'm back on attack. I want it really, really bad, and I'm excited to go and get it and show myself what I could do. So guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in, man. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Bud chops.